Good evening, everybody, and welcome to Secret Abruzzo. I'm Edward. Here we are again in Chieti, and this time we have an incredible, huge apartment with a huge terrace facing the hills of Chieti, with balconies, and it's, it's impressive. Uh, this is like, I think, four rooms apartment or something like that. It has two bathrooms. It's 160 square meters. It has a chimney and everything. So it's livable. It doesn't need any kind of attention. I don't know what more can I say. It's nice. But there is a catch with this apartment. I will tell you later, and also we will discuss the price later. First of all, let me show you the apartment. Okay, so here we have the terrace. I think it can be, let's say, one. It's I think it can be 50 square meters terrace. It's not even more. We have two entrances on this terrace. There is a super nice sink over here, so you can connect the hose. You can have a barbecue here if you want. And this is the street to go to this house, to this apartment. More about the street later, because when we go out, I will take you for a ride to see the location. Up there, where you see the blue sign, it's a big parking of the city where you can loan a parking place, and you can have your car parked right over there, but you can also have it parked here, right outside the street. So here we have a huge living room slash dining room slash everything. This is over than 20 square meters. It connects to another part of this living room, which goes to the kitchen. So here we have a chimney, which is super nice. And in this angle, we have the kitchen. The kitchen is not that big here, but you can fit everything you need. I love the fact that it's open space. It has this window, but it's also not in the heart of the living room. So if you're cooking, you're still connected to the living room, but the smells and everything will stay in here. So this is the entrance in the apartment. And here on the right, we have a very big bedroom. I think this apartment, if you want, could use a light painting just to be everything super clean, super new. This bedroom has this kind of locker here or something. Oh, look, there's another safe there. There's another one here. The heating is individual, it has a boiler. This balcony connects to the kitchen balcony here into the living. And this room is heading to the street. Here we have a big bathroom. It's a little messy because I think being not lived anymore, I think from the humidity of the bathroom or something, the painting on the ceiling has fallen. but this is nothing. We just repainted and nothing. Again, beautiful views here towards the mountains. You can't see it now because it's a little cloudy and it might start to rain. Going further away, we have here a secondary bathroom. This one has a shower. They are both really clean. Oh, look at this shower. Superb. Again, facing in the same spot. Let's see. Okay, the water is it's cut off. So here we are in the night area. To the left, we have, let's say, medium bedroom. It's pretty generous, so you can either have a bedroom here, you can have an office, whatever you want. This one also has a very beautiful view. Let me show you. Look at these views. This is amazing. Here we have a smaller room. This is more suitable for an office or a kid's bedroom. The pavement in this house, in this apartment, is really nice. The windows are all aluminum, all double glass. The doors are wooden, very high quality. And here we have the fourth bedroom. Again, facing the street. This also is pretty generous. And also, if we look up here, it's a door that leads to a storage space, let's say, in the attic. I love the fact that some heaters are hidden underneath these wooden masks. So the boiler has a thermostat. Just looking at this, it's a beautiful apartment, a beautiful place to live. I want to say hi to my friend Filippo.
Hello.
And now let's go downstairs. Filippo,
Hello,
arrivederci,
bye.
grazie.
Bye bye. Thank you. Thank you so much.
Thank you.
Bye bye.
And this is the stairway. In this house, or at least this stairway, is hosting 3 apartments, 2 on the ground floor and 1 up on the first floor where we've seen the apartment. So just 1 second, I will take my transportation method and I will walk you a little down the city and to show you the location and also to tell you the catch about this property. So, right at the end of this street, we will have the entrance to the historical center of the city. So you're pretty close to the historical city center. It's basically, I think, 50 meters away from that place. So it has an amazing location. Oh, yeah. I forgot to show you the house outside. Sorry. Okay. Please excuse me for this. So this is the house. The apartment it's on the first floor. So all the first floor it's regarding this apartment. It's in pretty good condition. Okay, now let's go to the city center. And while I'm walking, I want to tell you about this, the catch. So first, the price is 53,000 euros. I think it's a bargain. But in this case, there's also a catch. All this area that we see around here, as you can see, there are lots and lots of construction sites. And this is because it's called a red area. So basically, if I know well, what happened was that underneath this area is like a river that was going through here. So for building here, you had to take some special measurements, which for some reasons they were not taken when a lot of these big buildings were built. So basically now a lot of these buildings are being taken down and rebuild it and stuff like that, with the help of the city hall, of course. So from what we know now, this building that hosts the apartment, it doesn't have any of that problems. It's just that it's located in that area. Of course, if you ask me, in the future, you don't know, things could change. So I don't know what to say. I am not an expert of this. But right now there are inspections, tests, and everything is okay with that building. So haven't suffered from the ground problems that there were in that area and that other buildings were suffering from. So we're already in the historical city center, just a few minutes of walking. I will show you a little around, because it's important to understand the location. For me, the apartment is amazingly beautiful. The price is very good, and the location is also very good. So you're easily accessible with your car, but also you have the convenience of being very close to the historical city center. It's like, basically, it's like living inside the historical city center, because it's right on the entrance. Okay, let me know what's your opinion about this house, if you like it, if you would move into an apartment like this. Let me know if you have questions about the red area, or you want to find out more about this. Just keep in mind that I'm here for you. If you need to find out more information, if you're really thinking about moving here, then you will have all my support. As always, I'm saying, I was really lucky to have a lot of support when I've moved here, and this helped me a lot. And also, this is the main reason I'm doing this, because I would love also the others to have the same support and the same chance that I had. So that's for today. Thank you very much. Ciao! Ciao! That's for today. Thank you very much, and see you in the next one. Stay tuned.